Today I am reviewing these carpet stickers. I was sent these to review and I thank them for that. These are perfect for making so your ends of your carpets don't lift up. And I like that they come in little individual like this. So it goes perfectly in a corner. You put one side on the carpet, one side on the floor. I have a carpet, there's 12 pieces. I have a piece of carpet over here that's lifting up. Let's go try it out and see how well it works. Right here, you can see how it's curling, and that's made it fray from people walking over it. So let's see if this will work. You put this side right here, peel this off. So you peel this side off right here. It's gonna go, I would start right in the corner. On the carpet, good. Clean the floor. Let me put the other side. You can see a nice adhesive tack on it. Push it down. Look at it. It is no longer lifting. Still a little frayed, but I'll go ahead and clean that up. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.